So, here you are walking up to your fantasy hotel only for them to misplace your reservation. You can't help but become perplexed as the receptionist throws you a look that screams, "Oh no!" Or you see your room for the first time and have to convince the hotel staff that you signed up for a luxury suite with a view that would make birds jealous, not a musty room that could double as a broom closet. You arrive at a beautiful beach destination ready to soak up the sun and relax, but instead, you find yourself in the middle of a construction site with jackhammers and bulldozers as your background music. You thought you were booking a romantic getaway for two, but instead you find yourself surrounded by a group of rowdy college students on their spring break. Introducing Wanderlust by Kai, your free travel agent service. With Wanderlust by Kai, you can avoid these devastating mishaps and ensure that your next vacation is everything you dreamed of. Kai will take care of all the details of your trip, from finding the perfect hotel to booking the best flights. She'll make sure that your reservation is secure and that you get exactly what you're looking for. So why take the risk of booking your own trip when you can have the peace of mind that comes with using Wanderlust by Kai? Let us handle the planning, so you can focus on enjoying your well-deserved vacation. Don't let the drama of booking mishaps happen to you. Choose Wanderlust by Kai and travel with confidence.